number 9, we are given a graph of f of x and g of x, and we are asked to find f minus g of 1. So remember, by definition, this is just the same as f of 1 minus g of 1. So we just need to use the graph to figure out what those two numbers are and then subtract them. So since we're evaluating both of these numbers at x equals 1, that's where we go to where x equals 1 on the graph, and we're looking along this vertical line. So where does that vertical line hit the graph of f? That would be at this point here, which has a y-coordinate of positive 3. So that tells us that f of 1 is equal to 3. And then still looking along this same vertical line, where does it hit the graph of g? At this point here, which has a y-coordinate of negative 3. So g of 1 is equal to negative 3. So we said f of 1 is equal to 3, and g of 1 is equal to negative 3, and now we just need to subtract those two numbers, which, since we're subtracting a negative, this turns into a positive, and then 3 plus 3 gives us a final answer of 6. Number 10, we are asked to find f divided by g of 1, which is the same as f of 1 divided by g of 1. And here we are given a list of ordered pairs for each of these functions. So to figure out what f of 1 is, this is where we're looking for the point in our list of points for f, the point that has an x-coordinate of 1. And we see that the y-coordinate that corresponds to that is negative 1. So that tells us that f of 1 equals negative 1. And then for g, we're doing the same thing. We're looking at that list of ordered pairs for g, and we're looking for an x-coordinate of 1. And when we find that, we see it is paired with a y-coordinate of positive 1. So g of 1 is equal to 1. And then we just need to divide. Negative 1 divided by 1 is negative 1, is our final answer.